I know it's Chris from Business of Traders, and yes, it's part two of the time zone video. We got asked a very useful question, and that is, what happens if my time zone isn't listed in Sierra charts? So I was like, that's a very good question. Let's answer that. So without further ado, let's jump to the charts. So let's just share my screen and jump over to Sierra charts. Right, so what you need to do is you need to go to time zone settings under global settings. That brings up this dialog. Now, you might be thinking when you look at your list, where's mine? And if it's not there, go to other and custom. And then A stands for additional. So that's standard in Sierra charts across the board. So if you see the A, type in A, and it then brings in an additional dialog, and then you can customize your information. So obviously you can put what your UTC is. You can say whether it's daylight time saving, and literally you can say when your week starts, the whole lot. Totally customizable, right? So then all you have to do is then click apply. So I'm not going to click apply because mine's set to EST, which is Eastern Standard Time for New York. Because I like to see my charts on the same as New York. So it was just a really quick video. Now, if you've got any questions or you're stuck with Sierra charts, then comment down below, down there, and just put what your problem is, and I will answer it, and I'll do a short video like this. Bye for now. And if you like this video, punch that like button. Bye for now.